Let's make this simple. Yep, let's make this super simple. Okay, so basically description down there. Yeah, so description down there. This link. Just press it. Boom. And you will get here. And you will get up here. Like this. And then just open. Next. I accept. Next. 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 So this is the easiest way to get money. You literally do nothing. You mine. Even my RTX graphic card mines 3 times or 4 times less than this does money only by sharing internet. And it's sharing like yes for this, and it's like 1 megabit per fucking hour. I don't know, but yeah, let's start. And remember, when you create account, and create account, don't do like this, like and continue, or don't just go like this or this. Apply the coupon code first, like this. €3 for you guys, and then you can press continue with email or Facebook or Google, and that's how you make free money. And now I will explain how. You will get this, and then after this you will get here is the create account or login shit. But remember to do this when you create an account. You can do it normally. If you don't know how to use crypto wallets, you can just wait till 20 euro threshold, and then you can get it in your bank account or PayPal, whatever you want. But yeah, as you can see, it's like I get 56 cents. 566 is 56 cents. 56 cents per day. 50 cents per day. Yeah. In these 1, 2, 3, 4 days, I haven't had, as you can see, so much these. But yeah. But yeah, next part 3 is gonna be this. But yeah, I say you can use whatever you want, but if you know crypto, use this. And I can show you this jump desk shit. Let's try. What's an earn? Take the offer, search, make money online on YouTube. Find this video. Watch video. Okay. Let's start task. You need to make sure it's a specific like keyword. And there is it. 1 minute, 1 cent. It's fair. Yeah. I will pause and continue because this well actually no. Part 4 is here. What is Honeygain? I'm eating candy and chilling. Giving you life advice. ASMR, eating ASMR. Okay. No, I didn't